my name's Dexter. I'm doing the grocery channel. Yes. And we're going on the little telly.
On the little telly?
Yes.
Yeah. Right, and what are we going to do today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Is it a surprise?
Yeah.
Yeah, shall we go let Daddy get the surprises?
Okay.
Okay?
What's that way?
Ooh, what do you think they might be?
Groceries! Groceries, 5 bags! And another grocery.
How many have you got there?
3,
2.
2. And another one.
What's this? What is it? It's a Grossery Gang vial vending machine.
We have a rotten egg!
A rotten egg?
Yes!
We've wanted a rotten egg for ages.
I want to one paying these crates.
Do you?
Yes.
Right, let's open our blind bags. Daddy will open that for us.
I got caramel.
Oh, a caramel.
I can open it.
Woo!
Let me open this one. Oh. I think we have a new one.
A new one?
Yeah.
What do you think it might be?
Flat face.
Flat fizz?
Yes. Yes, we do! I got a little crusty son.
A yellow crusty croissant?
Yes!
We
See?
need him!
See?
Cool!
Oh my god. I got a duper cake.
That's okay though.
Yeah, I got a crusty chocolate bar. See?
No, it's an oozly muesli bar.
Oh yeah, it's a little bar. I got another caramel. Let's see.
Who do you think's going to be in this one?
I don't know.
No.
Oh, let's open this one. It's flat. I think it's flat face. Flat face. Okay, it's tiny.
It's tiny.
Yeah, there's flat fizz everywhere. And flat fizz. Oh no. Oh, this is super okay.
Oh no.
It's another barbecue sauce.
Another burnt barbecue sauce?
Yeah. I've got an ultra rare. And they got a Duplo cake. Got a Duplo cake ultra rare.
Did you?
Yes. I
Which
did.
one did we get?
I got a Duplo cake.
Did we?
Yeah. Ultra rares are cool.
They are cool.
Yes.
Because they're super fuzzy, aren't they?
Yes.
He's cool though, isn't he?
Yeah. Daddy, thanks again that well question.
Welcome.
I find that. Let's open that. Let's open that. This is Flyo Avengers machine.
Yeah, and what do we get in it?
Groceries.
Yeah, so we get 20 exclusive groceries inside. Ew. And then we get 4 surprise groceries. Don't we?
Yeah.
So we'll have to open up and see what we've got in here. I can see my favourite though.
Where?
Look there, the rotten egg.
I can't see broccoli. Can't see. I got fat guy.
Which one's your favourite, Dexter?
And
The crusty croissant.
yes.
He's all yellow. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yes.
So let's see what's in this one.
What's that?
Who's that one?
I don't know. One raspberry. Rotten raspberry.
He is rotten raspberry.
Oh,
Clever.
it's a new checklist.
A new checklist with it.
Yeah. I got fish guy.
This is Spotty Zit Queen.
Spotty Zit Cream, Dexter.
And I got. We
Dexter,
have
who's this?
one egg.
Yeah,
Rotten
rotten egg.
egg.
That's right. He's very rotten. Yeah.
He's my favourite.
Squidget.
You're getting Stinky out. Is that what
Yeah,
it's
that's
called?
Stinky.
Ooh.
Let's look at Stinky. Show the camera.
Ew, look at all that mould.
Ugh. He's
Ugh.
very stinky.
Look at
Which one now, Dexter?
Bath biscuit.
Yeah, let's have a look at Bath
He's
biscuit.
orange.
Got an orange Bath biscuit.
Cool.
He's all Bathy.
Which one next?
Flurry flop. Flurry flop.
Lolly Slop.
Yeah.
Good one. Let's have a look at Lolly Slop. Whoop, there he
Oh,
is.
he's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, got his little stick in there. A little
Can't
bit
believe they
melted.
glow in the dark.
Who next, Dexter?
Leaky cow.
Leaky Juice.
Leaky juice.
Leaky juice?
Got leaky juice.
Let's have a look at Leaky Juice. Ooh.
It's very leaky.
This is leaking out of the top. Ooh.
I want to get salt and pepper.
Yeah, is this snot and pepper? And what colour's snot and pepper?
Green and purple.
Green and purple snot and pepper. It's a new one for us.
Who is it called?
Yuck Yogurt.
Look, yogurt.
Oh, I like
Yuck
him.
Yogurt.
Yeah.
I think he's long past his sell-by date. Ugh. Who we got here, Dexter?
Flame licorice.
Lemon Licorice. He's cool. He feels nice.
You can get him as a squishy, a super sticky one too.
Oh,
Yeah.
So this is a non-sticky one, but we can get him as a super sticky one too.
Bad soy.
Bad soy.
He's hard to get out.
He's
Is
hard to
he?
get out.
Do you need Daddy's help?
Yeah.
He's a glow in the dark bad soy.
So we've got bad soy with all the green mouldy soy sauce coming out of the top. Boop. Put him down there. Which one now, Dexter?
Stale muffin. Here's a green one.
Yeah, is this stale muffin?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that stuff on the top.
Ooh. That's disgusting.
Good.
Who's next?
Who is it?
It's green terrible tomato sauce.
Green tomato
You got it
sauce.
now. Good boy. Look at him. He's got tomato ketchup coming out of his mouth.
Sticky
Yeah, sticky soda. Can you manage?
Yeah.
I'll give you a hand. It is a tough one to get out.
Oh,
Sticky soda.
he fell over.
Oh, did he?
Oh, it's very sticky, but not actually the sticky kind. Put him down there.
I feel him.
Yeah.
He's squidgy. Which one next, Dexter?
Him. Crusty chocolate bar.
Yeah, the crusty chocolate bar. Look at that. Ooh, he's very crusty. Had a little bite taken out of him. I wouldn't want to eat him.
I do.
You do.
You do.
Yeah.
And last but not least, Dexter, who's in there?
Don't know.
Let's have a look. It's Cracked Cracker. Cracked Cracker. Ooh, look at him.
And what else have we got now?
So
We've
that's
got
the
our
16.
blind bags.
What?
That's the
Got
16 that we know we're getting there.
Yeah.
And then we've got 4.
Great.
Yeah, 4 crates.
So you get 4 crates in there as well.
I will get them out. I will get them out.
Yeah.
And it's
You
this.
manage.
Cracker. Let me open.
So get the baskets out.
Good job.
Right. So, show the camera, Dexter. All 4 surprise ones come in little milk baskets,
Yes.
don't they?
Yes.
And on top there's a nice little mystery picture. Just some eyes so you don't know who's in there. So we'll open those now, Dexter.
Let me open this
Yeah.
one.
Who do you want?
Wonder who's going to be in there.
Smoochy smooch.
Yeah, Gooey Smooch.
Oh, I
is
like
cute.
Gooey Smooch.
I want to get her.
I want Gooey
Let's see.
Smooch too.
Ten.
That's our first basket.
Oh, it's squishy.
A squishy.
Yeah.
Who is it?
What is it? It is her!
Who is it?
It's Snoochie Smooch.
Gooey
It's
Smooch.
Gooey
I
Smooch!
wanted her.
Yeah!
Show the camera. She looks a little bit like a chocolate kiss. Oh, look, there she is. Gooey
Gooey
Smooch.
Smooch!
Ooh.
Got her. I got her.
Who do we want now?
You want Gooey Chewy?
Me too.
Gooey Chewy. Let's hope for Gooey Chewy.
Okay. I think it's another sticky one.
So who do we think's in here?
Oops.
Oops!
I want him.
Gooey Chewy.
Gooey Chewy.
I think we have him. I think we have him.
Who do you think we've got?
Oh my gosh. Got. I think we have him.
Who?
Yes, we do.
Who
It's
is
Gooey
it?
Chewy.
Dexter, are you a psychic?
Let's show.
I got.
It's Gooey Chewy.
I got Gooey Chewy.
Ooh, Gooey.
Go Gooey.
Dexter, I think you're like a mini sidekick.
I know. Who do you want in this one? Stinky,
Stinky
Mint. I don't know what we'll do if this is Stinky Mint.
Well,
I think it is Stinky Mane. I think it is him. I think it is. I think it is. I look like him. We do have him. See?
No.
Stinky Mane.
Stinky Mint.
Stinky Mint.
There he is.
He's
Stinky
cool.
Mint. He's got his mouth wide open. Ugh, I bet
But he is a Stinky Mint.
Last one, Dexter.
Who do we want? So far, you got 3 out of 3.
Grimy Lime.
Yay. I think it's him.
Grimy Lime.
Let's see. Oh, I think it is Grimy Lime. Yes, it is.
Oh,
Is it?
cool.
Wow.
Let's have a look at Grimy Lime. I think we've saved the best for last because he's cool. Look at him.
Mummy,
Yeah.
He's kind of see-through.
a magically sticky ones.
Feels like jelly. He's great.
He's cool. Which one's your favourite, Dexter?
Stinky.
Stinky's your
We love
favourite.
Stinky, don't we?
And another one.
All right, one more favourite as well.
I think. Snoochie Smooch.
Gooey
Gooey
Smooch.
Smooch.
Gooey Smooch is cute.
It's
Right, so we've got,
Rain Licorice.
yeah,
Bats. What are we on? Don Pepper.
yeah, Snot and Pepper.
And tomatoes. And stale muffin.
Yeah.
Sticky soda. Crusty chocolate bar.
Mhm.
And grimy lime.
Yeah.
And the one egg. And wheaty juice. Yogurt. Stinky mint. And puff biscuit.
Yeah.
And one raspberry. And Snoochie Smooch.
Gooey Smooch.
Cracker. And lollipop. Go chewy. Spoil whipped cream. And Stinky. And bad soy.
And bad soy.
Cool.
That's all the groceries we got in our file vending machine.
Yeah.
We love the bar vending machine,
Yes.
didn't we?
Yes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.